Hi, Sadelle here, and I wanted to talk to you about working or developing your creative practice, whatever that might be. Mine is currently drawing and sketching, and I use it to develop courses that I teach. But I found something last year. I found something on Instagram called the 100-Day Project, and it was a wonderful challenge to just get people to focus on one thing and do that for 100 days. And typically these were more visual arts types of challenges, but I suppose you could do this with writing as well. But the idea is you do that thing and you do it either for 100 days in a row, or you do that for 100 days spread out. And there was a website that went along with it, and I'll try to find links for that for you. And the idea is, again, focus on one thing. So I focused last year on Celtic knots, and I called that my 100 days of knot work. So I wanted to just show you a few pages from my journal that I had created last year. And I'll show you another page. And these might look complicated, but yours don't have to be. You can do anything that you can fit into the time frame that works for you. For me, this was great motivation to just really focus and practice on developing some ideas that I had floating around in my mind. And I threw in a little bit of Zentangle stuff as well. And let's see if I can find you one more page. At the end of the book. Here's one. Some days I would do like a week of black and white. Sometimes I do a couple of weeks of color. Again, I used a journal where the areas were small, so it didn't have to be something that confined me. It was too big to be accomplishable. So just an idea that developing a practice, sometimes if you can do it with a group or through a challenge. And the 100-Day Project was just great because you have all these people supporting each other, and then you get to make it your own. So if you're interested in seeing some of what I've done with this, I'm doing a completely different version of this for Celtic Knots this year. You could find me on my Instagram feed below, and I'd love it if you'd follow me and comment and tell me what you're thinking. And I would love to also hear just how you're keeping your practice going. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.